Let me show you how to install additional applications on your iPhone 16e. To do this, we are going to need to go to the App Store. So this is what it looks like. If you do not see it on your front page, you can also go in your app library and find it over here. And once we open it, on the top you will see your search bar. So you can simply tap and enter the name of the app, or also you can choose different categories for the apps. So simply choose something that you need, and basically apps from that category will be displayed over here. Also on the bottom here you can click around and get more stuff essentially. So but again, if you want to find something by name, simply enter it and we'll pull it up. And then if you want to install and download that app, we can, for example, click over here to see more details about the app. And over here you will see either this sign or a sign to get it. So click this button, essentially it will get downloaded. And after download, it will install itself. And if you want to open your app, you can either click this open over here, or also that new app will get placed on your home screen. So if you do not have any remaining free space, it will get placed in the next page of your apps. Also, you can go to this app library and search it over here as well. So we can search it by the name here as well. As you see, it actually comes up. So, and to open it, simply click on it and you have your new app installed. Anyway, good luck.